Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to get into the video and I'm going to tone my face with Aveda toning mist and let it dry. And then I'm going to use my ABH brow pomade in the shade dark brown and sculpt my brows. I'm going to take the Revolution Cut Crease canvas in the shade Etch, put it on the back of my hand and clean up my brows. I'm going to put that cut crease on my lid, and then I'm going to go into my Morphe 39S Such a Gem palette in the shade Very Good with my Morphe M504 brush and put that in my crease area. And I'm just going to tap it on there. And then I'm going to use my BH Cosmetics 101 brush and just blend it in, and then use this NYX stick in the shade Black Bean and put that on my lid. I'm going to take the shade Rocks On from the Morphe palette and pack that on top of the Black Bean so it's easier to blend. And then I'm going to take the ABH Prism palette and I'm going to go in this shade Obsidian with my Morphe M330 brush and blend in between the pink and the black. Take my Morphe M504 brush and tap it in the Very Good on one side, and I'm going to tap it into my crease, and I'm going to go back and forth between my BH Cosmetics brush and this, and then just keep blending it till I get the blend that I want. I'm going to take the shade Boujie and blend all that pink and all that black out just to make it smooth. And then I'm going to go into the shade Shiny Object and put that in the middle of my lid. I'm going to use the Aveda Beautifying Oil to remove the fallout, and I'm going to just breeze through this face routine because it's been the same. If you would like a detailed version, you can look at my green glitter holiday makeup tutorial or my orange cut crease. I'm going to take my LA Girl Glide Gel Liner, which is a dupe for the Urban Decay liners, put that on my lower lash line, and then take my Morphe M321 brush and blend it with Obsidian, and then take my Morphe M574 brush to place the pink under, and then take a different pink from the Morphe palette, the Boujie shade, and take my Morphe M433 brush to blend the black and the pink together. I'm going to take my Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, put that on my lashes, and then I'm going to do the other eye, and you could just watch as I do it again, because I'm not sure if I explained it as detailed as I could, because this makeup look is pretty hard to explain, in my opinion. And when you're done with the eye makeup, you could just go back with the Morphe M433 brush and then just blend the pink, make sure it's even on both eyes. And then I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Moonchild palette, the Glow Kit, and I'm going to take Pink Heart and use that as my highlight for tonight. And I'm using the Luxie, I think that's how you say it, Luxie 660 Precision Foundation brush, but I like using it for my highlight. And then I'm going to just put it on my nose. And then I'm going to take the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in Bull Cheek and put that on my lips as my liner. And then when I wear matte lipstick, I always take my liner and put it all over my lips. And then I apply the lipstick. And then for the lipstick, I'm going to use Colourpop's Black Friday Ultra Matte. Thanks. My boyfriend's talking. Thanks for watching my video. If you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you aren't subscribed, please subscribe. Alvin, be quiet. I'm filming.
I don't even see no camera.
It's right there. I was so scared to do this look because I've never done it before. But I said, I'm just going to jump right in and do it. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, hit the thumbs up. If you are subscribed, please subscribe. Until next time, bye-bye.